When launching a new product, spiffs are one of the most powerful tools to drive excitement, boost sales, and engage your frontline teams. A spiff, short for Special Performance Incentive for Field Force, is a short-term reward that motivates sales reps or distributors to push a new product faster and harder into the market. The key to a successful spiff lies in how well it's designed, timed, and communicated. The best spiffs for new product launches start with clarity. What behavior do you want to drive? For instance, do you want to increase sales volume, accelerate adoption, or encourage upselling? Once the goal is set, structure the reward around immediate and visible outcomes. Cash incentives always work well because they're direct and universally valued, but they're not the only effective option. Gift cards, merchandise, or digital wallets can deliver the same impact if they're easy to redeem and aligned with your team's interests. Tiered spiffs are another strong approach. They recognize top performers while keeping everyone motivated. For example, offer a small instant bonus for every unit sold, and then a larger reward once certain thresholds are crossed. This keeps momentum high throughout the campaign instead of burning out after the first week. Leaderboards or real-time tracking dashboards also enhance engagement by making progress visible and competitive. Timing matters. Launch your spiff simultaneously with your product rollout so excitement builds naturally. Keep it short. 2 to 6 weeks is ideal to maintain urgency and prevent fatigue. Make sure everyone involved knows the rules, targets, and how to claim rewards. Confusion kills motivation, so communication must be simple and consistent. Beyond monetary rewards, recognition-based spiffs can be surprisingly effective. Spotlighting top performers in team meetings, newsletters, or company social platforms builds pride and loyalty that money alone can't buy. Pairing recognition with tangible rewards creates a balance of motivation and morale. Finally, measure performance once the campaign ends. Look at product uptake, sales velocity, and feedback from participants to refine future spiffs. A well-executed incentive doesn't just move inventory, it strengthens relationships with your sales force and builds lasting enthusiasm for your brand. That's the real power of the best spiffs for new product launches.